Hello everyone, my name is Norbel and welcome to my channel. It's been a beautiful day here in Danchang and it is perfect to name different kinds of animals and tell where do these animals live. But before anything else, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be notified first every time I upload new videos on my channel. Now, are you ready to name different kinds of animals? Well, let's get started to name this picture. Alligator, alligator. The next picture is cow, cow, cow. And the next picture is duck, duck, duck. The next one is fish, fish. And the next one is a rooster, rooster, rooster. The last but not the least, bird, bird, bird. Now, let's tell where do these animals live. For example, where do the bird lives? Cage, cage, cage. The bird lives in the cage. The bird lives in the cage. Next, this one, rooster. Where do the rooster lives? The rooster lives in a coop. Coop. The rooster lives in the coop. The next one is the fish. Where do the fish lives? The fish lives in the water. The fish lives in the water. Now let's try the duck. Where do the duck lives? The duck lives in a pen. 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 And of course, the cow lives in the stall. 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 Now the last animal, the alligator or the crocodile, lives in a swamp, rivers, forests. Let's say alligator. Now, those are the animals that we named and we tell where do they live today. And I hope you learned something from me. Mega shout out to all grade 2 students of Anuban Danchang School, especially mentioned 2-6 under the advisory of Mrs. Supap and 2-7 under the advisory of Ms. Pachara. Hope to see you soon, guys. I miss you all. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell for you to be notified first every time I upload new videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! Ciao for now!